naomba mtuombe. Nilitolewa kwa ofisi against the law, against the constitution tomorrow. Kesi imesikizwa, uamuzi ni kesho. Tomorrow. So simutaniombea? Mtuombe, and we are ready for whatever outcome. If the 3 judges rule that we were treated unfairly and against the law and the constitution, and lift the impeachment and let us be, we shall be grateful to God, and we shall be very grateful that there is a justice system in Kenya that works. I have confidence that our judiciary is independent, is impartial, and will give justice to Gachagua and millions of his supporters across the country. If the ruling goes the other way, it is still okay. We'll still have an opportunity to go to the Court of Appeal and follow the legal remedies that has been provided by the Constitution. I want to urge my supporters across the country, irrespective of the outcome, to remain calm and peaceful. Gachagua is a very peaceful person, and I want to ask our supporters to be peaceful and calm. You know, when I was removed from office, the people who removed me were laughing that Rigathi has been removed and his supporters are saying nothing. It is me who told them say nothing. Ukikasirika, unyamaze, uimbe. Just sing. And I ask my supporters to suppress their anger, because we are peaceful people and we believe in doing things peacefully. I want to ask our supporters who are angry with what is happening in Kenya not to do anything that is violent, anything that is against the law. I ask them to suppress their anger, but keep it. Next year, they'll have an opportunity on the 10th of August to express their anger at the ballot box. That is where anger should be expressed and nowhere else. Nimugutu hoerai. Na muigethayo oria gugathie gituri andu a Ngai. If we win, we thank God. If we don't, we still thank God for his mercy and his greatness. This country is bigger than any one of us, and we need a peaceful country, and life must go on irrespective of injustices that has been meted against many people, irrespective of the suffering that Kenyans are undergoing. Tuombe Mungu atatusaidia, tuvumilie, iko shida ya healthcare, ya masomo, insecurity, like tuvumilie. Mungu atatuonekania na mambo yetu itakuwa sawa sawa. I want to introduce